Hi friends, today we're going to draw the cutest bunny donut ever. Let's draw. So we're going to go ahead and draw the circular shape for the donut. So we want a nice round donut shape, perfectly fluffy and delicious. Oh, but don't tell that to the bunny because he doesn't know he's a snack. So you can catch the link for my coloring page in the description. And you can also see the 3D version I have on Sketch Lab for Kids. It's on my community page under posts. Well, it looks like our little bunny donut is all set, just hanging out in the movie theater. But what movie is it watching? About a bunny following his dreams. Sounds inspiring. So we're going to draw these ovals for the ears. Oh no! Our cute bunny sees a kid stuffing his face with donuts. Pure panic mode, guys. Does this kid see the bunny donut? Oh, that was a close call. So was the kid too full, or was the bunny just too cute to eat? Well, it's time to give our bunny some adorable eyes. We're going to start off with a circle. We're going to make him big and shiny because this little guy's full of emotions, mostly panic right now. So we're going to draw our second circle and we'll add 2 white dots inside of the eyes. These are little highlights. So if you want to level up your art skills, you check out my other channel, Sketch Lab for Kids. We have a full art curriculum packed with fun and easy tutorials, like these kawaii style drawings in 3D. I've got painting on canvas, mixed media, and even polymer clay miniatures. So if you want to keep learning and creating, check out my playlists for more step-by-step lessons. And don't forget to grab your free coloring pages. I've been teaching art for over 20 years, and I'm so excited to share my knowledge of art with you guys. So this is a wavy line. This is what's going to make that drippy pink glaze on the donut. Here we go. I wonder what flavor that is. What flavor is it, guys? Good job. Our frosting looks gooey and yummy. So we have one more detail to add. We're going to draw the inner part of the ear. So this is another oval shape. So if you want, you could decorate your donut, maybe add some colorful sprinkles, a drizzle of chocolate, or maybe even some little hearts to give your bunny donut some extra personality. Awesome job, friends. You made an adorable bunny donut. Woohoo! Hey, let's draw some more. Check out my playlist. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.